Hi, this is Six String Steve. Welcome to my channel. Mr. Banjo's getting a bath. Does not like baths.
He's doing great.
Oh, Mommy says he's doing great.
Oh, you're
Crazy windy day. Crazy windy.
It looks very different.
That one looks very intimidating.
Yeah.
The spikes. Yeah. Wow. Can you imagine stepping on that? There's another one right there. Man, some of these are almost hidden by the grass. You got to be careful. You've been to Joshua Tree, right?
Yes.
Did you go through the Chola walk? Chola Garden?
Probably, yeah.
That was pretty cool. It's over in California. 29 Palms is just on the other side of that mountain ridge, or mountain range from that area. So, yeah. I better quit filming. I'm gonna wreck. I better stop. Okay, Eric's gonna let me ride his Black Beauty here. It's called what? Yours? Red Hot. Dana's on Red Hot. Oh, where is she? There she is.
From crime stinging in Phoenix to the skirt of
My eyes. They're burning. I hate these allergies.
No, it's because you ate something too hot.
So your eyes burn? That
Yeah.
makes no sense.
Yeah, when you eat something too hot. You've never seen
Your
that?
eyes burn?
Yeah.
They water?
water.
Oh.
No, there's a.
Usually my mouth burns when I eat something hot.
Yeah, but no.
It's like, ooh, that's spicy. Oh.
No, when I watched something and they ate something really, really hot and I just eyes started burning,
Yeah,
and then
I know what you're
the
talking
steam
about.
came out of its ears, and then out of its mouth.
When you have that, let me see. I want to see if there's any flames in your eye.
That's what I got them going on here. Which cartoon were you watching, by the way?
I have no idea.
It was a cartoon?
Yeah. There's another one!
Oh my gosh!
What
Yeah,
is
they're-
that? That's a scorpion.
I don't know. Let me try. Kind of freako, psycho, freaking nature are you? Uh-oh, what happened? Wow, now it's... Ew, it's got a black dot on its back. Are those eyes?
I don't know. Look at the bug leg.
I can't hold this still. Yikes. These things have been attacking us all evening out here by the fire.